GATE 2015 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 48. A water treatment plant of capacity 1 cubic meter per second has filter boxes of dimension 6 meter into 10 meter. Loading rate to the filters is 120 cubic meter per day per meter square. When two of the filters are out of service for backwashing, the loading rate needs to be found in units of meter cube per day per meter square. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. So when we discuss the loading rate of filter, it is given as Q by AF, where Q is the flow rate in units of meter cube per day and AF is the area of the filter in square meters. But this is the loading rate of a single filter. If we need to find the loading rate of the whole process, it would be equal to Q divided by number of filters into the area of one filter. In case we are performing the process of backwashing, loading rate gets changed. Let us call it LR-P. It will be equal to Q divided by N minus the number of filters that are getting backwashed is indicated by B into AF. So in this case we have been given the value of Q as 1 meter cube per second. So this would be equal to 86,400 cubic meters per day. Now the loading rate of the filtration system has been given as 120 meters per day. This would be equal to Q divided by N times of the area of one filter. So area of one filter would be equal to the length into width, which would be equal to 60 square meters. Substituting the value, we would get 86,400 divided by N into 60 equals 120. From this we would get the value of N equals 86,400 divided by 120 into 60. This would become equal to 12 filters. So the total number of filters is 12. Now we are backwashing two filters. So B will be equal to 2. So the changed loading rate of the process would be equal to Q divided by N minus B into area of one filter. So Q would remain the same, that is 86,400, since the same flow will be coming into the system. 12 minus 2 filters are getting backwashed, so we would subtract them and area would still be the same for each filter. Using this, the new loading rate on the system would come out to be 144 meter cube per day per square meter, or it can also be called as meter per day. So we can see that the loading rate on the filters has increased because two filters are out of service. So the loading rate when two filters are out of service for backwashing is 144 meter cube per day per square meter. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed.